The compass. A compass is a device that indicates direction, and it is one of the most commonly used instruments for navigation. Before the compass, sailors navigated by watching the direction of the sun and stars, or looking at waves or landmarks. But it was not a very accurate method. Only a few ancient sailors ventured out into the open sea. Instead, they sailed within sight of land, in order to avoid becoming lost at sea. The first known compass was invented in China, during the Han Dynasty, around 200 BC. It was made of lodestone, a naturally magnetized ore of iron. This magnetic compass was not, at first, used for navigation, but for feng shui, mining, geomancy and fortune-telling. But in time, people discovered that it can be used for navigation. The first use of compasses for navigation was around the 11th century. Needle compasses came decades later, in the late 1200s. In the 12th century, compass appeared in Europe, and it became a major force in human exploration. It guided explorers through previously unexplored waters, enabling them to navigate unknown places, and set up colonies on unknown lands. These new discoveries helped to map out the world in the 13th century. It led to the rise of global trade of spices, gold, weapons, technology, knowledge and many more. The first globe was produced, using 360 degrees of longitude, marked on the equator. In 1983, the U.S. military released the satellite-based Global Positioning System, GPS, to the public. Ever since, NASA has mapped most of the planet to a higher resolution. The compass is considered one of China's 4 great inventions. Compass is still widely used today, but in its improved forms, made from modern materials. This great invention not only made the navigation of the globe easier, but also made it faster and safer.